Hey guys, is the programming profession going to end? Is artificial intelligence going to replace everyone? I hear this every week. It's the programmers I know who are worried. The programmer at my company is worried. Subscribers to this channel who watch my content, those who want to start a career in programming are worried. And in this video, I'm going to prove to you that the profession is not only not ending, but it is possible for programmers to earn even more. And for those who want to start a career in programming, there has never been a better time. At the end, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. So watch the video, ask your questions in the comments, and stay until the end. It'll all make sense. This is popping up on my screen right now. I'm sharing it here. Look here. Robots building robots. Is this the end of programmers? Put it on Google. I challenge you. Look. End of programmers and artificial intelligence. Put it on Google. What's going to appear for you? It's going to appear like this. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the end of computer programming as we know it has already begun. It's the ghost tram. Look, artificial intelligence is going to replace developers. Another one here, robots building robots. Will this be the end of programmers? Look, if you do a search on YouTube, let's go further. Look here, end of programmers, put it there. What are you going to get here? The end of programmers. Will AI take over everything? Let's see another one here. The future of programmers. There will be no programmers in 5 years. The boring talk is back. Are the devs over? In other words, everybody doing the scare trolley, right? Let's start with a strange question that will make perfect sense, I promise. What's more convenient for you? Taking a 7-hour bus ride to the state of Rio de Janeiro, or take a plane ride and only take 45 minutes if money wasn't an issue, of course, standing in a line at a bank branch just to make a transfer, when you could do it easily, like using an ATM or even on your phone, comfortably laying on your bed. Do you think this quest for comfort will ever end? I hope not, because today we work with an efficiency that software developers or game developers from the past could only dream of thanks to the tools and technologies we have developed. Besides, these changes consistently present new opportunities for those who are willing to get involved, to update themselves by filling gaps that appear with innovation. Keep this in mind. Stay updated. ChatGPT can do everything for us. Not alone though. Copilot asking the right questions. Something it definitely can't do is to think like us. It'll take a long while for an AI to reach this level of complexity. Don't worry, you might be blown away by the fast-forward progress of GPT versions. Still, we're trying to figure out if the growth is truly exponential or we've already hit a ceiling. Altman himself, CEO of OpenAI, had a say on this, reassuring they won't be training GPT-5 anytime too soon. There's a point where adding more parameters doesn't make the answers smarter. If everything was always the same, the opportunities would have been exhausted by now. But we are teetering on the edge of a new technological era promising to revolutionize even more, making tedious tasks a thing of the past and freeing up time for us to focus on what truly matters, being creative. With this advancement, we'd need more individuals understanding programming from various fields to effectively grasp and apply these new abstractions, else they become just passing trends. Everything's very new. We're witnessing a massive transition. So we'd require a huge crowd with tech skills to manage these advancements. And those who capitalize on the next 5 years in the correct way will make a lot of money. I've been benefiting since January 2023, so you could start riding this wave now. Just think about the amount of work that will emerge henceforth. So friendly advice, don't lag behind. If you stopped studying programming because you feared replacement, or if you're disheartened to commence learning it, now's the time to do exactly the opposite and strive to be the best programmer you can. Even the creator of Gmail has said that Google is close to a total disruption where search engines will no longer be needed, like these ones right now that I've just used. I didn't come here and type in Google. I didn't come here on my other screen and type in YouTube, which is a search engine as well. Google is the world's first search engine. The second most used is YouTube, both from Google. The question is, Google is a search engine. Do you think Google will give up, or do you think it will develop new tools for its system? I'll repeat it again for you to understand why it's the most important message of the video. I've been working in technology for over 10 years, and I see this as an opportunity, or rather as the biggest opportunity of the decade. I'll tell you more. It's never been easier to program. Do you know why? Because you can utilize the right artificial intelligence tools to program for you. Can you believe it? Imagine if people could reach their goals without needing someone to program for them. That would change everything. It would be a revolution. And that's exactly what's happening. If I were starting now, even knowing that a programmer career might not exist in 10 years, I would still choose to become one. Think about it. Starting today, I could choose to be a neurosurgeon, a successful lawyer, or even an Olympian. Still, I would choose programming. I would choose the tech market. I can say this with certainty because I practiced law for 11 years. And when in 2017, I realized the revolution of digital marketing, like social media technology, apps, and distance learning courses, that they were transforming everything. I decided to ditch a traditional career and seize the moment. Since 2017, I have my own company, my own business, and I live 100% off the internet. Today, as you watch this video, you have the chance to tap into an even more game-changing revolution than I enjoyed in 2017. This revolution began showing its first signs in 2023, but now is the ideal time for you to join in and learn how to make money from it. Bottom line, what's going to happen from here? People are going to be replaced. Yes, it's already happening, but they're not being replaced by artificial intelligence. They're being replaced by other people who know how to leverage AI. Do you know how to use the best artificial intelligences? Comment below. Why not use this opportunity to learn more about the subject? Create something using artificial intelligence. In the worst case scenario, you'll have gained more knowledge that's sure to open up new doors for you. And this is where the first step you should take comes in. Find a place where you can find all of the knowledge in an organized, step-by-step way and with guidance and support. Want to learn how to program using artificial intelligence to do the hardest parts for you? If you liked the video, give it a like, share, subscribe to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Take care. Comments, I'm here to help. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share, subscribe to stay in the loop. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye.